So a few weeks ago, a prominent OBGYN decided to call me out in a video that she did debunking myths online about birth control.
There is absolutely no literature to indicate that the act of ovulation itself is necessary for long-term or even short-term health.
Did you get that? I'm stunned by this because there is so much literature. And in fact, the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists actually says that ovulatory cycles in girls, I extend that to all females, are a necessary part of overall health. So I find this fascinating that the literature is completely ignored. She then proceeds to wordsmith her way through the rest of the video and completely contradicts herself, as you can see.
The basis of her argument is that because the endocrine production, meaning in your body production of estrogen and progesterone, two hormones that are integral to your health and well-being, are tied to the act of ovulation, this means the act of ovulation itself is necessary for overall health. This is another tactic that they use. I have a statement which is true and another statement which is true, and I'm drawing a conclusion from it that those two statements cannot draw on their own. So while it is true that if you are not regularly ovulating and don't have a reason for that, such as pregnancy or breastfeeding or menopause or being on hormonal birth control pills, and it can be a sign of underlying issues, and it also can cause major health problems, it is not because the act of ovulation is missing, it's because the estrogen and progesterone are missing.
What? Didn't she just prove my point? The bottom line is that OBGYNs like this believe that the estrogen and progesterone in the birth control pill that you're taking are exactly the same as the estrogen and progesterone produced by your ovaries due to ovulation, and that is patently false.